This video is a guided tour of the eExam software. Electronic assessments provide a more engaging experience than paper-based assessments. Using the software, it is easier to structure and edit your answers throughout the exam. It is aligned to your other assessments, and it's an environmentally friendly alternative to paper. When you are seated, you will need to log into the exam using your Monash student username and password. You cannot start your exam without these details. If you've received notification that your password needs updating, please do this before exam day. Don't write your password on a piece of paper or on your hand, etc. Multi-factor authentication won't be applied to laptops used for exams. The room supervisor will tell you when it's time to start your exam. When you're instructed to, you will need to click the Start button on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. eExams don't have separate reading or noting time. It's incorporated into the overall exam time. So let's get started. Here we've created a sample exam to use as an example. I'll step you through 2 eExam question types, multiple choice and long answer. Ask your lecturer what question types to expect on your exam. Once you click the Start Exam Now button, you'll be taken straight to the exam. I'll orient you to this screen. In this case, this is the exam main screen for a multiple choice question. The timer counts down the time remaining until the exam ends. Your exam notes and answers are automatically saved every 30 seconds. This shows when the last autosave was done. This navigation panel on the left displays all your exam questions and their status. Let's answer a few now and see how it works. Mark answers you're unsure of to review later. This number indicates the marks allocated to a question. Use the navigation bar at the bottom to go to other pages. Once you select Next Page, you'll see that your progress bar indicates the number of questions you've attempted. The navigation side panel shows the status of your responses. Here's an example of a long answer question. This is a case study. There are 3 sections to the screen: the question, your response, and your notes. This is how they appear by default. To view all 3 sections simultaneously, you can toggle with the split screen icon. Selecting from different highlighter colours allows you to mark up key parts of the question as you work. Let's start typing. Here you can make notes to assist you with your response. Your notes are not assessed as part of your exam response. You'll notice a spell check feature is available. We use the British English Dictionary at Monash. While misspelt words will be underlined, there's no autocorrect or suggestion features. Confirm with your unit teaching staff if spell check will be available for your eExam, as it can be turned on or off. You can format the text in your answer with the Text Editor toolbar. The Tab key doesn't function as it does in a word processor. It will move to the next text entry box. Use the indent buttons in the text editor instead. This is the Insert Character icon if you wish to insert a special character. Click this icon to view your word count. The eExam platform will not limit your response length. To zoom in and make your screen larger, use the Control key and scroll up using your mouse scroll wheel. To zoom out, use the Control key and scroll down using your mouse scroll wheel. To undo your typing, use Control Z. To redo, use Control Y. Here are some other shortcut functions you need to be aware of for eExams. Alt plus Tab won't allow you to change windows. You will only have access to the exam window. Right-clicking to copy text does not work. Use Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. You can use formatting shortcuts as well: bold, Ctrl-B, italic, Ctrl-I, underline, Ctrl-U. Return to the exam view by clicking the split screen icon again. You will need to return to the exam view to navigate to other questions. This link takes you to the summary page to give you an overview of your eExam progress. Think of it as your personalised eExam dashboard. By default, this screen shows all your eExam questions and their status. The main summary screen shows the status of questions in the order they appear in your eExam. Questions are marked as attempted, incomplete, not attempted, unsure attempted, or unsure not attempted. Clicking on a question title will take you directly to that question. You can, however, also filter your responses. In the Filter By column, questions can be sorted to show only those attempted, only those incomplete, only those not attempted, or only those marked unsure. It's a great way to review your progress at a glance. This is the only page where you can submit your exam using the Submit and Finish button. Once you click Submit, you'll see a pop-up box asking you to confirm the submission. If you click Submit again, this is final and you won't be able to reopen your eExam. If the exam ends before you click Submit and Finish, your work will be automatically saved up to the final second and then submitted. Don't worry if you don't get to click this button before your time runs out. Your exam will be automatically submitted for you. We wish you all the best for your eExam.